Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Srivastav and I welcome you to this course Digital Marketing with ChatGPT. And in this section of the course, what we are going to do, we are going to take the help of ChatGPT in order to identify our target audience. So I have opened ChatGPT here and I ask help me to identify my target audience. Ask follow-up questions until you have all the information you need to create a buyer persona. I click on enter. Okay, and sure, I'd be happy to help you identify your target audience. Okay, to get started, can you tell me a little bit about the product or the service that you are offering? Okay, and help me understand the general category of people who might be interested in what you have to offer. So it is asking me basically about my service. Okay, that is what it is doing here. So I create online training for business owners and entrepreneurs. Okay, that is what I will write here. So I am creating this training for business owners and entrepreneurs. So great, here are some follow-up questions to help you understand your target audience better. Okay, so these are some points here which are given by the chat GPT. Okay, so what specific topics or skills do your online training all cover? So digital marketing. Okay, then second point, are your online training generated towards new business owners or entrepreneurs who are more established? So, new business owners and established businesses. That is for the second point which the chat GPT has asked me. Then, number three. So, what age range do you think would be most interested in your training? So, 30 to 45 years old. Number four, we have, are your training designed for people who are just started out in their careers or for people who have been in business for a while? Okay, so for this fourth point, let's assume here people that are new to marketing. Okay, so that is what we can write for fourth point. Then we have fifth point. So are your training gain towards people who run a specific type of business? So not really. Okay, then we can be go for sixth point. So let's say, how tech savvy do you expect your target audience to be? So they don't need to have any specific knowledge. Okay, so these are the type of customers for my product. Okay, for my customers. Okay, these are the answers for my customers. Okay, so that is what we have available here. Then for 7 point, so what is the price point of your online training? So let's say $100 to $800. Okay, that is for the 7 point. Then where does your target audience where does your target audience just one second, where does your target audience spend their time online? Okay, are they acting or active out there any social media? Okay, that is what we can write. So active on YouTube and social media. So these are the points. Then we can press enter. So that is what we can write here. Okay, now what chat GPT has given me response for these points for my customers. Okay, so here's a buyer's persona for your online training. Now try to see here very carefully. This is the buyer's persona for our digital marketing course. Okay, so who is the buyer for our digital marketing? Name Sarah, it is an example here. Age 35, occupation entrepreneur, business owners. Okay, background, goals, and we have challenges. Okay, all these points regarding the persona of the buyer who might buy my digital marketing course. Okay, that is available here. Okay, so all these things are given. Online behavior is also given here. Okay, you can see all these points. You can read all these points to help understand your target more properly. Now I can write, make a list of the 10 pain points. Okay, 10 pain points of the buyer's persona. So the pain points of our buyer persona. Okay, so sure, here are 10 pain points, potential pain points that Sarah may be experiencing. Okay, so lack of knowledge about digital marketing, difficulty in understanding complex marketing concepts. See, please focus that these are all the points about our customer okay, who is a businessman, who is an entrepreneur, okay, and what are their pain points, those are written here. If you understand these pain points more properly, you will be able to target your audience more properly, target your customers more properly. Okay, so limited time to invest in learning new skills, okay, limited budget to invest in, and so on and so forth. Okay, these are given. Now based on that, I can write, make a list of 10 goals slash dreams of this buyer persona. Okay, and then I can press enter here. So now it is giving me a response for the 10 potential goals and dreams that Sarah may have. Now this is also important. This is also these are the goals and dreams of our potential customer, of our potential buyer. Okay, and if you understand your goals more properly, you can understand them more properly. So grow her business and increase sales, build brand awareness and establish her business in a reputable brand in an industry, create effective digital marketing campaigns that drive website traffic and generate trend, expand her customer base and reach new market, increase her online visibility and exposure, build a strong social media presence and engage with customers online. Okay, so all of these points are the goals and dreams of our target customer. Okay, so now what we can do, now based on that, we can write here list 10 online behaviors of this buyer persona. Okay, that is what we can write here, and let's correct the spelling and let's press enter here. So this is the response given by here. Okay, so based on the buyer persona we created earlier, here are 10 potential online behaviors of Sarah. Okay, so frequently uses search engines like Google to look for information about digital marketing strategies and tactics. Okay, spend time browsing social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to stay connected with friends and family. Okay, so these are the online behaviors of our customer, okay, our potential customer. Okay, so uses email to communicate with clients, customers and other business owners. All these points are available here. Okay, now these are the same questions you can use for your own course as well, or maybe whatever kind of customer you are focusing, whatever products or services you are giving here. Okay, so now let's go to this third point. So this third point here, often searches for this point, and we are going to work on this one. Often searches for and watches educational videos on YouTube to learn more about the, specific digital marketing topics. So based on this topic, I am going to use this information. So let's say make a list of let's paste it here. So possible searches for, and let's say where this thing video that this buyer persona searches for and watches, and the third point, okay, the on YouTube to learn more specific digital marketing. So based on this third point, if I will press enter here, so it will give me response something like this. So here are 10 potential videos that Sarah might search for and watch on YouTube to learn more specific digital marketing topics. Okay, so our customer wants to learn about digital marketing topics, and this is the thing they are doing on YouTube. Okay, so 5 key strategies for building a strong build online, the ultimate guide to social media marketing for small businesses, how to use SEO to improve your website ranking on Google. So these are the behavior our potential customer might show on YouTube when they wants to learn about digital marketing topics. Okay, so you are trying to understand your client more properly. You are trying to understand more your topic more properly here, your customer more properly here. Okay, now based on this, let's write here, please write a video script for this this point here, 5 key strategies. Okay, the first point, okay, for building a strong. So then I can press enter, and this is the response I am getting here. Sure, here is a sample script for a video title, 5 key strategies. Okay, see, first of all we identify the behavior, and then based on this behavior we are able to get this information here. Okay, that is what we can do. Now all these pain points, all these important information about our customer we can target more properly here. Okay, and we can optimize more properly our course, okay, according to them, okay, and according to our target audience here. Okay, so that is what we can do here.